Hello everyone, this is Exceptional World. In this video, I'll be showing us how to create a dancing avatar using the Zepeto app. Okay, so we are on Zepeto now, and this is our character. When you come to Zepeto, the first thing you do is to dress up your character. So, this is the icon you're going to use. You click on that icon to be able to select what you want to use for your character. So I click on it now. On Zepeto, we use coin to buy things like clothes, hair. You want to change anything for the character, you have to buy it using the coin. As you can see on my screen, I have up to 7,500 coin. Okay, so we want to change this character to suit our taste. So you can use any of this to do that. Okay, so now I want to change the hair of this character. And you know, for you to be able to change anything, you must buy it. So I want to use this. You can see his hair is changed. Okay, if I don't want that one, let me just go for a better one. I think that's fine. Okay, let's go for this. This is cheaper. That's 940. Good. Just 940 coin. I'm gonna pay for that. So I like it this way. Let's go for this. Then I want to change his clothes. I scroll down. I go. Okay. So I think I want to go for this. Let's go for this. I think I want this. So our character is dressed. So we want to change his shoes. Let me go for something cheaper so I don't finish my coin. So let's see something good. Let's see. So when using Zepeto, you must be careful so you don't finish your coin, or else not be able to do any other thing. So our character is dressed. Okay. So you click on this purchase. You click on it for you to purchase it now. So we click. So you see, you're going to spend 4,890 coin. So we click on purchase. It's been purchased, and you can see above purchased. Good. And you can see from 700 and I have from 7,000 and I have 2,000. So that's it. Once you've done that, you click on save. You must save it or else it will not reflect. Click on save. So it's saved now. Okay, so we'll go back using this arrow here. Okay, so we'll go back. So you can see our character is good, looking good. Now you click on this. You click on this button, discover. And you can see a whole lot of stuffs here. Okay, you click on plus. Just follow suit, you'll be able to get you're able to get what I'm doing. So these are today's new posts. That is what you actually want your character to do. Is from here you will pick that. Do you want your character to dance? Do you want your character to play? Whatever you want your character to do, is from here you will pick that. So let me just choose this. I want my character to dance. So you can see it's telling you for this character you need 3 members. For this particular stuff you want them to do, like this dancing, you need 3 members and you just have 1. So once you click on done, just watch what my character will do. Once you click on done, watch what will happen. I click on done. So you can see my character has been replicated. See, there are now 3. Okay, so now I want to change the background. I click on background, so I can give my character a good background where they can display. Okay, I make use of this. Okay, so you can see, wow, you can see a dancing step because I chose that I want my characters to dance. Once I'm done, I click on good. Once I'm done, I click on save. To tell you video or GIF. So you choose video. So it has been saved to your phone gallery now. Okay, you allow it to process before you go out of the app. Once it's saved, it will show you here saved, as you can see on my screen. So we're done with this. Once you're through with the Zepeto app, you go to InShot to edit it and insert whatever you want to insert. So this is that. Thank you for your time and try it.